Are you ready to blast off on a wild adventure through our amazing solar system? Get strapped in because we're gonna zoom past 8 jaw-dropping worlds. Oh yeah, we're talking Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are hiding their craziest secrets. Secrets that will blow your mind. You think you know the solar system? Think again. Every planet is hiding crazy secrets that scientists are still trying to solve. Buckle up, space explorers. Today we're revealing the biggest mysteries of the solar system. Woo! Hey there, space cadets! Welcome to Earth Studio 2.0 channel, where we take you on exciting adventures through the cosmos. We've got a new episode every week. Hit that subscribe button and join our awesome crew. Ready for liftoff? Let's explore. First stop on our cosmic road trip is the tiny planet Mercury. This little guy is always in a hurry, whizzing around the sun faster than any other planet. But Mercury has a secret that's really puzzling scientists. It's got a giant iron core, and we don't mean like the size of a basketball. Nope, this core is as wide as 2 of the United States put together. How can a planet that small have such a big core? Scientists think that Mercury might have been bigger once, but something huge crashed into it and smashed it up. Mercury also has a lot of ice at its poles. Even though it's the planet closest to the sun, how can that be? Scientists have a couple of theories. They think that comets or asteroids might be delivering fresh ice, or that gases in Mercury's atmosphere could be freezing up. Either way, Mercury's icy surprise is a real head-scratcher. It's a planet of extremes, super hot and super cold. Wow, Mercury is definitely a planet with a lot of surprises. But we've got 7 more amazing worlds to explore. So let's buckle up and get ready for the ride of our lives. Next up is our neighbor Venus. Venus is Earth's twin in size, but it's totally different. Venus is a scorching hot oven, while Earth is just right for life as we know it. But did you know that Venus might have started out as a watery world like Earth? Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Venus had oceans, continents, and but then something strange happened. A thick blanket of clouds got trapped in the atmosphere, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The heat built up and built up until Venus became the hottest planet in the solar system. Where did the oceans go? Did they evaporate into the thick clouds? Are there any clues hidden beneath the steamy surface? Who knows? But one thing's for sure, Venus is full of surprises, and we're just getting started. Now let's talk about our home, Earth. We all know that Earth is amazing, but did you know that we know less about our own deep oceans than we do about the surface of Mars? There's so much hidden beneath the waves, from giant creatures to underwater volcanoes and maybe even lost cities. It's like another world down there. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and holds 97% of all the water on the planet. But despite all that, we've only explored about 5% of it. What's down there? What amazing things will we find? It's all a big mystery. Here's a fun fact. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the galaxy. Seriously, we've counted more trees on our planet than stars in the Milky Way. How crazy is that? We have so much to learn about Earth and the rest of the solar system. It's mind-boggling. Our next stop is the red planet Mars. Mars is a cold and dry desert today. But scientists think it was once a wild world with rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. What happened to all the water? Did it turn into ice? Did it evaporate into space? Or is it hiding somewhere else? And what about those mysterious structures called Martian megadams? Could they be signs of ancient alien life? Robots like NASA's Perseverance are searching for answers right now. By exploring Mars, we're not only learning about the history of this fascinating planet, but we're also searching for signs of past or present life. Who knows what secrets Mars is hiding? Maybe one day we'll find evidence of little green Martians. Just imagine the headlines. But until then, we'll keep exploring and dreaming of what might be out there. Next up, get ready to be blown away by the mighty Jupiter. This massive planet is the king of the solar system, boasting a whopping 79 known moons. Jupiter is so big that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. We don't know what's inside this gas giant, but scientists think it might have a rocky core, possibly even a liquid metal core. Could there be valuable resources waiting to be discovered? And what about those mysterious bands and zones? They're not just pretty to look at. They're actually powerful bands of wind that whip around Jupiter at incredible speeds. These winds are so strong that they could drag you away before you could say, "Great Red Spot." Speaking of the Great Red Spot, this giant storm is one of the most famous features of Jupiter. It's so big that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. But what's fueling this storm and how long will it last? Jupiter is truly a planet of extremes, and we're just scratching the surface of what makes it so fascinating. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty of Saturn. This planet is famous for its stunning rings, which stretch for thousands of kilometers. But here's the twist. These majestic rings won't last forever. Scientists predict that in a few million years, Saturn's rings will vanish. Yep, you heard that right. They're slowly disappearing into Saturn's atmosphere. So if you want to witness the splendor of Saturn's rings, you better hurry. And here's another mind-blowing fact. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system. If you could find a way to remove its rings, Saturn would float like a balloon in space. It's like a giant hot air balloon floating through the cosmos. How cool is that? Get ready to spin into action, because our next stop is Uranus. This sideways planet is a true oddball, spinning on its axis almost perfectly perpendicular to the Sun. Scientists think that something huge has crashed into Uranus in the past, knocking it on its side. Now it rolls through space like a cosmic bowling ball. And hold on to your spacesuits because Uranus is one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Imagine temperatures as low as 224 degrees Celsius. That's so chilly you'd need a super thick jacket. But hey, at least it's not boring. Uranus keeps scientists on their toes with its wacky tilt and frosty surprises. And finally, we reach the distant planet Neptune. This icy giant is known for its fierce storms, which can last for years. Scientists have discovered that these storms can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than some of the most powerful tornadoes on Earth. But what's causing these wild weather events? And what secrets is Neptune hiding beneath its stormy surface? Well, we're working on it. As scientists continue to explore Neptune, they hope to unlock the mysteries of its atmosphere and uncover any hidden surprises that await them. And finally, we've reached the end of our cosmic road trip, but not without a stop at the adorable dwarf planet Pluto. Pluto might be small, but it has a big surprise waiting for us. Scientists think that beneath Pluto's icy surface could be hiding a secret ocean, and who knows what might be living in those waters. Of course, we haven't discovered any little blue penguins or sea monsters yet, but the possibility is exciting. Pluto reminds us that even the smallest bodies in space can hold big surprises. Wow. Our journey through the solar system was filled with so many amazing discoveries and mysteries. From Mercury's giant iron core to Saturn's disappearing rings, each planet has its own unique story to tell. But the adventure doesn't have to end here. If you want to keep exploring the wonders of space, click the video on screen now and blast off to new discoveries. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Keep dreaming, keep wondering, and keep reaching for the stars. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and above all, keep looking up at the amazing world above us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.